Hey guys, it's Kathy with FUMSnow.com, and I am on a mission to try and get more fruits and veggies in my gullet. And so I'm giving myself permission to eat veggies in any way that is attractive to me. Anything that looks good to me and it counts as a veggie, I'm gonna eat it like that. And so this is like probably a girl dinner tonight. My husband's working late, but look at all these wonderful veggies I'm gonna get in. I love these mini sweet peppers. I like to slice them, get those little seeds out of there, and then I'll put in some whipped cream cheese or some hummus, and the roasted red pepper is my favorite. I put that inside there and just crunch on it. It's so good and really good for you and super simple. I love sugar snap peas, yum. I love these little mini cucumbers. I'm seeing a trend that I hadn't formerly recognized. Everything's mini. Okay, so I just dice those up, and I'm not dice them, make them in strips, and then just dip them again in my hummus. I have some spinach artichoke dip that I am going to put on these little bread things, yum. And what else? Oh, and then for dessert, I'm gonna have a bunch of just plain Greek yogurt, and then I put all kinds of berries. Berries are so good for us. And think of eating the rainbow, right? So I'll have blueberries and raspberries and strawberries, and like the more colors, the better. And then I put some granola in there for the crunch, and then I drizzle over local honey, because that's really good for allergies, and honey's good for you. Honey's really good for you. Plus I'm trying to dial down my my sugar, but honey is good. So honey's a good sweetener. So that's, oh, and don't forget, and of course I will have my coconut water with naturally occurring electrolytes for our chronic dehydration issues. So anyway, that's what's for dinner for me tonight, and probably gonna have some peanuts also. I love peanuts, and nuts are really good for us too. They have a lot of fats in them that are good for our brains. Okay, that's it. Tell me how you're getting fruits and veggies into you these days. I'm looking for tips. Thanks, and don't forget to say FUMS every day, because that helps.